this bit. Okay, so I'm just going to hide that. I'm just going to share my screen. So 1 second. So we're going to try to understand how do we do data. Well, first of all, what is data validation? Essentially, it's a way of making it so that a certain type of value can be inputted into the cells that I choose. So if I choose B2 to B12, then click data, then data validation. It says I can choose a list from a range, choose a list of items, a number, text, date, custom formula. We won't bother getting quite into that yet, but so if, for example, I chose number, now the only thing that can be entered within here is a number between 10 and 100. And now I have an option to do reject input, which means, so first of all, let's just choose show warning, and we could also add validation help text, and then I can actually, the message can be enter the right number, please. Enter the right number, please! Exclamation mark. It can be whatever I want it to. So click save. Oh wait, enter a valid number, or enter a valid number or formula. What's wrong with that? Okay, so it said the reason those 10 and 100, I think they were just suggested numbers, but you have to actually enter them. So now, if I try typing 1, okay, so I must have said 1 to, I think I said 1 to 100 maybe, or 10. Let me just try typing 20. Okay, so it lets me type it, but I get this red thing that says invalid. Number must be between 1 and 15. Okay, so I can change it. So if I highlight them all again and choose data, data validation, you can see that the particular data validation is referring to B2 to B12. Now the other option, what we're linking to what we were saying, is we want it to say yes, no, or maybe. So I choose a list of items. Yes, comma, to break it up. No, comma again, maybe. And this time what I'm going to do is reject input. This will mean that it won't let you actually it won't let you input the wrong thing. So if I type in definitely or something, it won't let me do it. So the help text is going to be choose an option, and then press save. Now I have this drop down menu. I get an error message there because it says input must be an item on the specified list. If I click that, here's the specified list. So now, then the error message goes away. Now if I try to type in definitely or any other word, press enter, I get an error. There was a problem, and it says choose an option. So I can now no longer enter the wrong information for this. So I've set up data validation. Yes, you don't have to choose it from a drop down. You can just type it. So if I type in yes, that's fine. And also, if I had lots of options, like I just typed in Y, it searches amongst the options, so you can then click on it. So that's the other thing it does as well.